Welcome to Flick Tactics, Week 13 updates, 7 more weeks to go. These are the additions and changes. Kyle Knudsen did Hulu faces, which are so good. I really liked all of them. Amazing faces. And then there's the Jonah concept art, Hulu and Jonah both. And there is the Justin Chin who did dialogues. Oh, I just misspelled it, but never mind that. Dialogues for Mission 1 tutorial. It's playtime, but before playtime, let us just appreciate this. Uh, this amazing artwork. I mean, this is the concept art by Kyle Nitson. On left side, you see Hulu, and on the right side, you have Jonah. I mean, they are so good. They are so good, right? I don't have much words about it. It's probably the best art I'm gonna get for my game. I mean, I have never get such a good art in my game before. So yeah, it's playtime, and let's actually check out the dialogues, right? Just want to say one thing, that don't get confused by the jumping, the flag jumping and anything like that. This is just for testing purpose. It's still there. A lot of things are still there, and yeah, there are lots of things to do, right? It's a big project, unfortunately, but I'm trying to cut the scope and making things go well. So yeah, this is the dialogues, and let's see. So uh, these are from the old dialogues, and there are some new dialogues as well. There, I think this is the new one. Here, that's a good spot. Thank you, sir. I guess. Nonsense. I said it is good, so it is good. Got it? Whisper this old geezer. What did you say? Nothing. Nothing. Are you going to teach me anything? This kid. Look at where you placed units. Where? They are on a mountain. Look. Oh. Oh. Yes. So what? Select them. Okay. Look at the defense now. Oh, it's higher. Exactly. Units on mountains get more defense points. Remember that. Yes, Girusa. So yeah, these are the dialogues. I just kind of dramatized it as much as I can. For next week, enemy AI turns display in gameplay UI, return in gameplay UI 5 character full body art and 4 facial expressions because one is done. Level designs, which I would really appreciate because more levels is always good, right? I didn't contribute anything in this game this week, and the main reason was that I was very busy in Global Game Jam 2021. That's right, and I have developed a game named Shredded World, which you can play, on the Global Game Jam website or even itch.io. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.